Hi everyone, it's Mr. Thompson here for your Lesson 10 review. First, I'd like to talk about how to practice. The first thing I'm going to give you is a little practice schedule. I would recommend that you start with at the most 5 minutes of reviewing your flashcards so that you know all of the notes in your D string and A string very, very well. That's super important. That's just going to keep coming back up. So if you start your practice session with reviewing those flashcards, or you can use the online quiz that I gave in Google Classroom, either one, the more you practice those notes, the easier it's going to be for you to read music, which is probably one of the biggest challenges that you'll have. So keep reviewing those flashcards. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to your scale. And this week, you have a D major scale. You can do it in two ways. The first way is by doing four bows, one note, or I like fast food. All the way up, I like fast food, and then up your A scale. The other one is one half note per bow. So that would be half note, half note, half note, half note, two beats apiece. So those are two ways that you can practice your major scale this week. I've been handing out scale mastery charts, so when you can show me that you can play that all by yourself, I check that off on your scale mastery sheet. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into song number 39 in your book and play that pizzicato. I have a 3-step process for helping you practice. Step 1, say each note as it goes across. Just say the letter names. After you feel comfortable with doing that, then you want to go and play it pizzicato. Now, for song number 39, since it is pizzicato, you only go to step number 2. But if you're practicing number 54 and 55, you would go to step number 3, which would be to play it arco or with your bow. So those 3 steps again when you're practicing. Step number 1, say the notes. Step number 2, pitch the song. Step number 3, bow. If you can't get past step number 1, don't go to step number 2. Just stay there and get that done. So your practice session, flashcards, major scale, and then one of the pieces of music that I gave you to work on, either song number 39, song number 54, or song number 55, and you're practicing it with the steps in mind of saying the notes first and then playing them. Keep those in mind and you'll have great success, and I'll look forward to seeing you for lesson 11. Take care.